Number 21, a rectangle is inscribed in a circle such that each vertex of the rectangle lies on the circumference of the circle. Okay, so I'm going to draw a haphazard circle, and I'm drawing my rectangle inscribed in a circle. Okay, ish. The diagonal of the rectangle, okay, I need a diagonal. Let me do that. Okay, is twice the length of the shortest side of the rectangle. Okay, so it's twice the shortest side, so I'm going to call that shortest side x, and it's twice that length, so it is 2x. The area of the rectangle is 1089 times the square root of 3 square units. What is the length of the diameter of the circle? Okay, so the diameter of the circle is going to be this 2x. It is. When the rectangle is inscribed in the circle, its center, any diagonal of that rectangle is going to go through the center of the circle, so that is a diameter. So if I can solve for x, I'll solve my 2x and I'll have my diameter. That's the goal. All right, so what do I have going on with this circle? I've got an x and I have a 2x, and they are testing to see if you remember about 30, 60, 90 triangles. And I'm going to rotate this and kind of draw it. So I'm going to rotate it this way, so it comes down like this, because this is usually how they're drawn in your math book. I have x and 2x. That's the triangle here. Now this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. This is the 30 degrees, this is the 60, and there's my 90. And the pattern is the leg that's next to the 60 is x, the hypotenuse is 2x, and the leg that's next to the adjacent to the 30 degrees is x times the square root of 3. This also is provided to you at the beginning. They give you the 45, 45, 90 and the 30, 60, 90 triangles, the reference. But if you have it in your head already, you don't have to spend the time looking it up. But if you forget it, always remember it is there for you. It is there for you to use. Okay, so x times the square root of 3. So I'm going to write that over here. This side is x times the square root of 3. And we're told the area is this 1089 square root of 3. So what would area be for this triangle? It would be, excuse me, not the triangle, the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is going to be length times width. And now I know my length and my width. It is x and x square root of 3. So if I multiply those together, because you can separate this and say it is x times the square root of 3, it makes it a little easier to see. X times x is x squared times the square root of 3. And that's the area. But I also know this is the area. So, come on, go away. There we go. So I'm going to put it right here. So x squared times the square root of 3 is the same as 1089 times the square root of 3. And I'm trying to get to x. So I am going to divide both sides by the square root of 3 to get rid of that. Make it a little easier to look at. So it's 1089 is equal to x squared. Now to solve for x squared, I need to undo that squared. So to undo that, I square root both sides. So I have an x on the left and on the right. Let me check my notes because I forgot what the square root of 1089 is, and I don't know that one off the top of my head. It is 33. There we go. So the square root of 1089 is 33. Now this is where I guarantee some students are going to go 33. I got my answer. Boom. And they're going to move on, and they got it wrong after all this hard work. Ah, how frustrating, because they didn't ask for x. They asked for the diameter of that circle, which is 2x. So 2 times 33, which is 66, and that is your answer. It is 66 units for the diameter of the circle. Hey guys, just a quick heads up. I've got some cool stuff coming for y'all, including a free course full of SAT tips and tricks, as well as an exhaustively complete course on everything you need to know for the SAT, both math and reading. So subscribe to the channel to get notified when that goes live. I'm also going to put it in the comments and description below as soon as it does. In the meantime, if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.